Hi, this is Jessica. I wanted to discuss digital documents and accessibility. So, people with visual impairments often use screen readers, either all the time or on an as-needed basis. Particularly students with low vision may experience visual fatigue, and there may be times when they want to listen and use text-to-speech rather than reading visually. So I have my iPad here, and I'm going to use the speak screen feature on an iPad, which is a type of screen reader, to demonstrate levels of accessibility. So first, let me show you how that works. If I open up a Safari web page, I have a page on dogs here. I'm going to use the speak screen feature after I turn on the reader view. I can use it before, but this is cleaner. And 2 fingers from the top onto the iPad.
Here are the top 10 most popular dog stories of 2018.
Great, so this is considered an accessible web page, and I've already set up this speak screen option in my settings. So let me show you a page where I've just listed types of digital documents and accessibility. So starting at the top, we have poor quality photos, which are less accessible. Okay. Then we go down. Inaccessible, visually poor quality PDFs are still not very accessible in terms of using a screen reader. Accessible PDFs, which are PDFs that could be edited but may not have headings or tagged, are accessible to an extent. Word documents, also accessible to an extent, but if they don't have headings or other accessibility features, they may be a problem for some users. And then we get down to more fully accessible, could be Word documents or fully accessible PDFs with headings, formatted lists, numbering, and also alternate text for images. So I'll show you now some of those documents here in my Google Drive. So let's say there was a document that was shared for a student, and here's my elementary math worksheet, and I'm going to try my speak screen.
No speakable content could be found on the screen.
Right, well that makes sense. Okay, this is just a photograph, and there's text in the image, but it's not recognized because it's just an image here. So what about, I have a PDF, and I'm going to zoom in on this PDF, and we can see visually that this is not great. The quality is very poor when you zoom in. So, but can we listen to this one?
No speakable content could be found on the screen.
No, this is a PDF that's basically made from a photograph, so that one is not accessible. Then we have a PDF that might be made from a Word document. Let me try it now.
3 plural nouns readable PDF.pdf. No. Name. Plural nouns complete each sentence with the plural form of the noun in parentheses. 1. Many.
Okay, so great. This one is ready to go for many students. They can go ahead and use screen reading options to listen to this document. Okay, and so what do students need to do when they get in a document that's not accessible and they might need to have text-to-speech option? So there are different apps and different strategies students have, and the type of document that they get could determine how much effort and how difficult it is for them to get that into a usable form if they want to use text-to-speech. So let me show you a little list here, and I have some level up stars. So making accessible documents. If you had a photo, you could scan and share it as a PDF. That might make it easier for the student to turn that into a document that could be read with text-to-speech. If you can make or get an accessible text-based PDF, great, share that. That's already ready to go for many students. If you can have a Word doc version, that's going to be more accessible. And at the top of the game here, create fully accessible documents using tools in Word and PDF applications, and then you have a document that's accessible for everyone. So as an example, I'll show you how a student might deal with a PDF that was not accessible. So here we have a scan of a assignment, and can I listen to this?
No speakable content could be found on the...
Nope. Okay. But let me run it through. If your student has VoiceStream Scanner and VoiceStream Reader, they could open in, scroll over here, copy to VoiceStream. And because I have this scanner, which does the optical character recognition, I already have one that I've run that through, just so you don't have to wait for that. And now I have a document that I can use the features of this app to read.
Early.
I can hit play.
Early Republic document-based question. DBQ, version number 2. Directions.
Okay, great. So now I have a document that I can also read with the speak screen feature or other text text-to-speech options. So I hope that helped explain digital document accessibility. Thanks.